Hi everybody, welcome to our Facebook page. In this video, we are going to make a very creative decor. We are going to make a mini aquarium. First, cut a shape from this plastic lid and cover it using a cloth. Now we are going to paste all these wires around it like this and cover it with another piece like this. Now we are going to add more wires on the marked and then we are going to pull all of them upwards like this. Now we are going to weave a jute rope around it and cover it till the top, and look, it is looking more beautiful now. Then we are going to make a turtle shape. So yeah, we are going to bend all these wires like this and give it shape, and we are going to weave it. Now we are making its head first, and look, it is almost ready now. Same way we are going to cover its legs like this. Use a jute rope and start weaving it. Cover it like we are doing here, and look, it is almost ready now. We are going to cover its tail like this. Put the jute rope up around it, and look, it is done. We can also add a lace and it will look more beautiful this way. Let's make a beautiful decor item using this jute rope. We are going to put it inside a glue solution. Now wrap the balloon using this jute rope like this. Now dry it. Now pop the balloon out, and look here, lamp is ready. You can put fairy light inside it. Take these items, now roll the wire and make a shape. Now we're going to cover this ring using jute rope. Add more details like we are making this pattern using jute rope. Tie a knot, and look, it is something looking like this. Now we are putting a stick inside, and look, it is ready. You can put your toilet paper roll inside it, and look, it is done. Thank you so much for watching this video.